Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on the back button. And from this list, just look for Good Lock. Then tap on Good Lock and tap on Visit Find Lock homepage. Now from this list, just look for Good Lock. Then tap on it. And from here, you will find the option of Download APK. Just tap on it. Then tap on Download and tap on Open. Now just select Install. Now after you install Good Lock on your Samsung phone, then tap on Done. Now just go back to the Find Lock app. And in the Find Lock app, just look for LockStar. Tap on Visit Find Lock homepage. And from this list, just tap on LockStar. And from here, just tap on Download APK and select Download. Then tap on Open and select Install. Now just tap on Done. After you install LockStar on your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and open the Find Lock app. Tap on Proceed and select Allow. Then tap on OK. And from here, just tap on LockStar. Now on this screen, you will be able to customize the lock screen of your Samsung phone. First of all, if you tap on the clock on the lock screen, you will be able to customize the clock of the lock screen. Now if you tap on Style, you can change the style of the clock on the lock screen. And if you tap on Font and Color, you will be able to change the font and the color of the clock on the lock screen. Just like that. And also you will be able to increase the size of the clock on the lock screen as you like. Now after this, if you tap on LockStar, you can customize the lock screen of your Samsung phone using LockStar. First of all, you have the option of App Widget. Now if you tap on App Widget, you can add a widget of an app to the lock screen. For an example, if I tap on Clock, you can add a clock widget to the lock screen. Now let's select this widget, then tap on Add Widget. As you can see, this is the widget which we have added. Now you can resize the widget as you like. Now after App Widget, you have the option of Favorite Apps. Now just tap on Favorite Apps and enable this toggle. Now after you enable this toggle, a menu will appear on the lock screen. Now from here, you will be able to launch your favorite apps directly from the lock screen. Now if you want to customize your favorite apps on the lock screen, under the Favorite Apps section, just tap on the menu over here, and from here you will be able to select apps to add them to the lock screen. By default, it selects the settings, the flashlight, and the Do Not Disturb mode. But you can select any apps from here, and you can select up to 3 apps. Then tap on Apply. Under Favorite Apps, you can align the menu as you like. You can select the vertical mode, the right to left alignment, or the left to right alignment, as you like. After Favorite Apps, you have the option of Help Text, and from here you will be able to customize the text on the lock screen. You can increase or decrease the transparency from here, and you can change the color of the text from here, just like that. After Help Text, you have the option of Lock Screen Timeout. Now if you tap on Lock Screen Timeout, you can change the lock screen timeout from here. By default, it is on the default mode, but you can select 10 minutes. And if you want to customize the lock screen timeout duration, you can do that from the display settings in the Settings app. And finally, you have the option of Reorder Items. And from here, you will be able to reorder items on the lock screen. Now, for an example, if this menu overlaps with this widget, from here you will be able to select which item to be shown at the top, just like that. And after you have done customizing your lock screen, then tap on Done. And this is how you can customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.